Hey guys, here we are at the 2022 Qingdao Auto Show, and behind me in this massive exhibition hall is 100,000 square meters of show space. Over 1,000 cars are going to be on display, and from 79 different brands. I've been told that this year there's a heavy emphasis on electric vehicles as those rise in popularity. So we're going to go inside, we're going to see some of the world's most cutting edge cars, and we hope you enjoy. Let's go. Right here we have a Chinese brand very famous here in China called BYD, and as you can see the emphasis is on electric vehicles. Those are becoming super popular here in China, also in the US as well, but they've got a massive selection here, so we're just kind of meander around and take a look, okay? So I'm just sitting in one now, one of these beautiful electric vehicles. Everything is just so smooth and luxurious. I'm a little tall for this one, but there's so much space in the back as well. Got this beautiful touch screen here, and of course all sorts of beautiful amenities as well. These are just top of the line electric vehicles, and I'm excited to go see even more. It's so sleek and well designed, and as I said before, there's just a ton of legroom, and it's just extremely comfortable. This is a really great car. This behind me here is a brand called Xiaopeng, and it's a Chinese brand also, but it's the next generation of cars, and it really is targeting the young people and also gunning for Tesla as well. So as you can see, some of these designs are very reminiscent of some of the Tesla designs, but they have their own spin. So we're gonna go take a look at some of these too. Here we are in yet another of these beautiful electric cars. This one has a tremendous amount of space in the front. It's all sleek and black. Everything opens up and folds. There are charging stations everywhere. This really is the next generation of electric cars. We've got this beautiful big screen in the front, as well as a small screen right here in the steering wheel. I can see that very clearly. It tells me everything I need to know, and it looks good doing it too. Fantastic. So here we are in a more SUV style car, and as you can see there's an even bigger screen here, and these screens are so clear and so easy to use. You know, there really is very limited room for user error here. They take care of everything. Very spacious, everything is just sleek, well designed, and very clean. I'm very impressed by this brand, and it's not expensive either. The average retail price for this brand is about 45,000 American dollars, which is pretty good for what you get. There's even a microphone in here. Pretty amazing, in case you want to do some car karaoke. Right now I'm standing in the showroom area for Hongchi. It's one of China's earliest car producers, and as you can see, they're still going strong. They've got some beautiful cars here, very reminiscent of some of the American luxury cars as well. SUV style, we've also got cross-country style, and the interior and exterior is gorgeous. So we're going to keep taking a look at these beautiful cars. Whoa. Nice. So here we are in one of their luxury vans, and it really is quite a wonder. We've got this huge screen here. Everything is so comfortable. Everything is adjustable as well. Those seats in the back even have a footrest that unfolds. So this really is a top of the line van, and it's so cool to be able to sit in one. So it seems like everybody's in the car game these days. This is actually a car that is made by Huawei, the famous Chinese phone company, and it is also a beautiful car. You know, it's got these lovely clear display, same for the front, and very similar to what we saw earlier, but very comfortable, very sleek, and it's just a beautiful car. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been quite a ride. That was an incredible show we saw in there. So many cars, so many brands, and it was really fun to sit inside those luxury cars for sure. So if you like what you see today, just remember to follow us, leave a comment, leave a like. We really appreciate it, and give us some suggestions for what you'd like to see next.